In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix x input 1 underscore 4 dot DLL missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is to check for our system type. So go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then simply open a browser, any of the browser, and then search for the missing DLL and just put download and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download button corresponding to your system type. Wait for this to be downloaded. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon and then right click and then select extract all. Click on extract. Then copy the DLL file, right click, select copy. Then go to this PC on the left pane. Double click on the Windows C drive. Scroll down to the Windows folder. Scroll down to the System32 folder. So if you are a 64-bit, go to System32. If you are a 32-bit, go to SYS Wow 64. Right click and then select paste. Click on replace the file in the destination. Now once done, simply right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Next method, open a browser again and search for Visual C++ redistributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and simply click the download link corresponding for your system type and install the Visual C++ on your Windows 11. Next method, click on the start button and go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click the button right here to check for the available updates for your Windows 11. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.